welcome back to my channel. I am Desiree Nicole. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did my retro-y type fall nails using press-ons. I recently became allergic to gel, so press-ons are like my go-to now, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own press-ons. Well, not your own press-ons, but your own designs using press-ons, so you can still get your cute nail designs without having to sacrifice anything. So, if you want to know how I got these, just keep on watching, and we're going to get right into the video. Hey guys, so as you can see, my nails is looking dusty, crusty, rusty, musty, all of the above. These nails were made for gel glue, but I used the regular Kiss glue. But today I want to try something new and use the Kiss Bare But Better press-on nails. I wanted to try these because these were already like a nude base color, which I really liked, so I wouldn't have to worry about trying to create my own. Now, if you know, you know. The girlies that know that the Kiss Pink gel, or the Kiss Pink nail glue, is the absolute best in my opinion. I have tried a lot. The young, is it the Young Nails or whatever it is, that's also really good, the brush on, but nothing compares to the pink gel glue. So to prep, we're just going to start off by lightly buffing our natural nail, get away all of that excess glue from the previous set. And yeah, and then I took my little drill here, and I like to do this with press-ons, whether I use gel glue or like regular press-on glue. If you buff the insides of your tips, it just gets that shine away, and they just last a lot longer. Next, I went in with my nail primer. This just basically dehydrates the nail, gets all the natural oils out so that everything can adhere better. If you don't have a nail primer, you can use nail polish or even alcohol, whatever that will help dehydrate the nail so that your glue will last a lot longer and it'll stick better. Y'all, when I say this pink glue from Kiss is everything, like, I have yet to find anything that holds as well as this. And I like the fact that it is pink, so when you're putting on even a clear tip, it gives you that natural effect because it more so like it's the color of your natural nail. Like, look at this. Y'all cannot tell me these nails aren't mine. These nails look like they're growing from my nail bed. So anyways, I'm not gonna keep my nails this long. I went on ahead and trimmed them down a little bit, you know, just give them a more functional shape for me, I guess. So for this nail look, I am actually using gel polish, which I know is a little, you know, crazy because I do have a gel nail allergy, but just be very careful that you do not get this on your skin or anything like that. And for this design, I used the Beatles, I believe the kit was called the Nude Kit or something, natural kit, something like that. It came in a pack of 6 from Amazon. It was a bunch of like neutral type colors, so I just picked 3 colors, like a light tan, a peach color, which you see here, and then a darker brown shade, and I just kind of rotated throughout each finger what I thought would look best, made it like a little corner French thing, and then I cured under my UV light. Next, for the little accent design, I went in with the Beatles French White, and this here is for, it comes with a little design brush, as you can see here, and I just use this to make the little corner triangles opposite side of the neutral French design. Lastly, we finish up with a top coat. Now, I did not use a gel top coat just because I tend to get that on my skin sometimes and I just don't want to risk anything. So on top of this gel polish, I used just a regular top coat. Let it air dry for a little bit. It dried pretty quickly, maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. But yeah, that was it. These are my fall nails. And I think they came out so stinking cute. They look really, really natural. So they look like I went to the salon, got artificial acrylics. Like nobody believed me when I told them these were press-ons. Do y'all see this? So yeah, guys, try this out with let me know if you try the Kiss Bare But Better press-ons and how you like them, because I'm going on week 3 and they're still holding up really, really well. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.